Yes, technicians should absolutely have their own profile pages on a home service website. When customers can see who is coming to their home before they even book, trust builds instantly, and that trust often turns into more calls, more bookings, and better reviews. Think of a technician profile page like a baseball card for a repairman. It shows a photo, their name, how many years they have worked in the trade, what they specialize in, and maybe even a friendly fact about them like their favorite tool or their hometown. Here is something most companies never think about. When a homeowner sees a real face and a little personality before the technician even knocks on the door, their guard goes down and they feel safer letting a stranger into their house. This is actually a psychological trick used by hospitals for years, where showing a doctor's photo and background before a visit reduces patient anxiety. The same idea works perfectly for plumbers, electricians, and repair technicians. If you run a home service business, start by adding a simple photo, a short bio, and a badge for certifications on each technician's page. This small step can make your company feel more personal than the big chain competitors who treat every worker like a number. One common mistake is using a stock photo or an old, outdated picture, because customers can usually tell, and it feels fake or dishonest, so always use a current, friendly, real photo. Another mistake is writing a boring bio that just lists certifications with no personality, when really adding one or two personal details, like a hobby or how long they have lived in the area, makes the technician feel human and trustworthy. A third thing many people overlook is forgetting to update these pages when a technician leaves the company, which can confuse customers or even create liability issues, so make it a habit to review technician pages every few months. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message them back with their estimates.